Hello and welcome to Programming Concepts in Python. I'm Daniel Arbuckle, your tutor. I've been programming in the Python language since I was in high school. I used it to write the software that supported my PhD dissertation, and every day I've used it as a professional. Python has been a huge part of my life, and I hope it can be as useful for you as it has been for me. Let's take a look at what we're going to learn in this course. This course is divided into 4 sections. In the first, we're going to be seeing examples of very basic Python syntax and semantics, including variables, strings, and basic input and output operations, as well as talking a little bit about statements, expressions, and other fundamental language ideas. In the second section, we'll be focusing on Python's built-in data structures, with 1 video each for lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. Combining these base data structures allows us to write most Python programs without ever needing to code up a custom data structure, and it's valuable to have a good grasp of what each of them does. In the third section, we'll be looking at how to tell a Python program to make decisions and perform repeating tasks. We'll learn about if statements, for loops, while loops, and the related concept of condition expressions. Finally, in the last section, we'll learn about how to create custom functions, allowing us to break up our program into useful components that can be edited and combined more easily. We'll also learn some useful elaborations on how to invoke functions.